Look at these vultures going after the cat food, and Tux is inching up on him, but not running after him. There he goes. Get rid of him, Tux. Tux was just sitting there. Get him, Tux. Yeah, and Sweetie says, go get him. Yeah. She says, I want to go get him. I want to go get those birds. They don't belong here. I know. Go get him, Tux. Go get him. Get rid of him. Run after him. That's too hesitant. Run after him, Tux. He's my adopted kitty cat out there. Yeah, Sweet says, go after him. Go get him. This is funny. It's funny because they're not really running away, and Tux is not really running after them. And Sweetie says, I want to go get him. Get him, Tux. Go get him, Tuxie. No, I didn't say come over here for food. You're supposed to get those birdies and get them, not come over here. I know.